A few years ago, I discovered a secret that has helped me get invited back to speak at organizations time and time again. What is this magic secret? Don't give them everything you've got in your first speech. One of the biggest challenges I see for speakers, especially inexperienced presenters, is they're so passionate about their topic, they want to just give the audience everything they've got. Well, if you've seen one of my previous videos talking about the Chinese buffet effect, we don't want to stuff our audiences, first of all. It's better to give people one or two ideas that they can take action on than to give them 10 that they don't remember and do nothing with. But more than that, for selfish reasons, if you'd like to set yourself up to be a speaker who's invited back to the same organizations and groups, what you do is you give them one or two really good ideas in your first presentation. Give them a call to action. And somewhere in that presentation, you can tease them with something like this. If I was speaking to a group about presentation skills, I could talk about how to craft an outline and how to use pauses effectively to grab people's attention. But in addition, during the presentation, I could drop in a little nugget like this. I've discovered that the key to connecting with an audience, to gaining their trust and inspiring them to take action is to develop your stories. Now, time doesn't permit me to get into those today, but the next time I come back, I'll get in depth into storytelling and show you how you can double or even triple your number of prospective clients. Then I go on to the rest of my presentation where I was talking about speech structure and delivery, silence, but I've planted a seed in the audience and in the meeting planner. Now, what will be the end result of this? If they like my presentation, if they see real value to it, they'll bring me back. If they don't, they weren't going to bring me back anyway. No big deal. But chances are very good that if you give a great presentation, if you give them some nuggets, something that they can use and take action on and benefit from, they'll want to bring you back. Never forget this. Anytime an organization or an individual brings a new speaker in, those people are putting their reputations on the line. They never know what they're going to get until they experience you. So if you go up there and you hit a home run, you deliver, you give them content and a terrific experience and useful ideas that they can implement, you set yourself up as someone who's trustworthy. You're no longer an unknown quantity, and they're much more likely to bring you back. Don't overload them. Give them just enough to say, hey, this is good. We need to have you back. You'll greatly increase your chances of getting repeat business and also developing a reputation within the industry. We'll see you in the next Daily Dose of Public Speaking Wisdom.